Hello everybody, my name is Sandy Gonzalez and today I will be teaching you how to insert a column chart into a Google slide based on data collected. I want to start by showing you a data sample from an experiment. The column chart is a great graphic organizer for visually representing this data. Now, you'll want to add this chart in a blank slide. The first thing we'll do is click on the word Insert in the headers above. Then click Chart. And lastly, click Column. A chart like this one should appear right away. Now you will click on the three dots on the top right corner of the chart. Click where it says Open Source. An Excel sheet will open up like this. The first thing you'll want to do is change where it says Team 1 through Team 4. You'll want to delete this information and change it to what the data represents in your table. You will begin writing your first change in box A2. Since I did an experiment, each one represents the change I made each time I tested. The next thing you want to do is change where it says Period 1 and Period 2 to the titles you included in your table for your measurements. Go ahead and delete Period 1 and Period 2. Now, since mine were tests, I will write Test 1 and Test 2. Another option is to leave it blank, but if you have more than one set of numbers, as is my case, a key will appear that shows me what each color bar on the graph represents. Now, if you have more than two sets of data numbers for each change, you'll want to add the additional information in the columns to the right. The last step would be to change the numbers to represent your data from your table. You only need to put the number and not name abbreviations. Otherwise, that bar will not appear on the chart. Now that you input your information, you'll want to change the titles. To do this, you need to double-click where it says Points Scored. The chart editor will appear on the right side with the Customize button underlined in green. Click where it says Points Scored. Delete what is there and add your own title that represents your information. Try to be specific. Next, you will click where it says Chart Title and select Horizontal Axis Title. Click on the space below title text and add a title of what the bottom information in your bar graph represents. For the last step, you will click where it says Horizontal Axis Title and now select Vertical Axis Title. Click on the space below title text and add a title for what your numbers represent. Again, be specific, and here you can add abbreviations for units of measurements in parentheses. Since your chart is now complete, return to Google Slide. Now, in order for your chart to appear on your Google Slide with all your changes, you must update it. To update your chart, just click on the icon that looks like a refresh button. Then you click on the word Update. You are now able to see your final chart on your slide. I hope this video has taught you how to add a column chart to any Google slide.